If you are using a database accessed via the Proquest platform, for example, the British Nursing Collection, to transfer references into EndNote, simply select the desired references by using the checkbox to the left of each article title, or select the whole page of results if you wish. Click on the Action button to save or export the selected articles. It looks like a round button with 3 parallel dots. A pop-up window appears. Select EndNote as the citation export option. Another pop-up window appears. Simply choose the record content you would like to export and click on the Continue button. This will place a file into your Downloads folder. Simply double-click on this file to transfer the references to EndNote. In EndNote, you can now see the transferred references. To view all references in your EndNote library, click on All References in the Groups panel to the left.